Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today we'll be learning how to log into TradingView app on phone, and let's dive right in. Now, to log into your TradingView app on phone, first make sure the app is downloaded on your device and open it on your phone. And the interface will be similar to this, where you can see the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the menu button, and you can see the sign in button at the top of the screen. Over here where I'm at is the sign in button. Tap on there, and you can see either you can tap on the email or username button over here and your email or username, whichever may it be. So, and it's your password, and tap on the sign in button to log in. Or if you have forgotten your password or you can't sign in, just tap on the forgot password or the can't sign in button to go through the process of resetting your account. Or you can simply tap on the continue with Google, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Y, and your Apple accounts over here. On tap on the button to log into your TradingView account with one of these. And with that being said, guys, this is how to log into your TradingView app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.